Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Mercy Tiara kits. And I am using the Sweet Summer kit. And guys, there are two different Cartabella collections that are prominently featured. This one is Sunflower Summer, and the other one is called Roll With It. So for this layout, I want to play with Sunflower Summer. This is very important stuff, guys. First of all, I love sunflowers. I think they're exquisite. Secondly, I like chickens. And have you seen this girl? She's hilarious. And the whole thought process was this piece of paper, it's hilarious. Like, it is chicken goodness. So what I want to do is concentrate on that. And yes, there's myself with the chicken, goats. Chicken back there, chicken here. Goat. There were pigs, horses, maybe a llama, whatever. Typical day, right? So we have that. I think it's so cute and so fun. Now, my very favorite color is this one right here. So this paper right here with the chickens, did I use this on my last layout? I did. Hold on. So I'm going to see. I cut out a piece, clearly. I'm going to see if I can use that scrap up. We'll see. Okay, we have that. We've got chicken. We've got this. Now, I also want to bring in some of our mixed media, guys. We have two mixed media products, and they are from Shimmer's Paints. We have a colorings, which is this one right here. It's pretty in pink. And you can see, depending on how much product you have on there, you get a much different saturation. And I've got Ride the Tide. I think I'm going to grab the Pretty in Pink. And I'm going to grab, I'm looking at my options here. Ooh, we've got two gorgeous cut aparts. Yum. All right, I'm going to keep those on top. And I'm going to look at also, do I want to bring this in or bring this and this and have the pinky pink be the pink bringing out the glory of the chickens? I think I'm going to do that, which means I'm going to grab a piece of, I think I'll grab a piece of maybe foundations paper or something, a white from my stash, and some molding paste, and I'll meet you right back here. So I kind of have this as an idea for my layout. So I just grabbed like regular old white cardstock, right? I'm going to have some chicken rows. That seems important. You know what I want to do? I want to trim right here. I have a little tiny bit to make it slightly more orderly before, I scuff it up and mess it all up. So let's go ahead and just tighten that up. But I definitely think that this should be kind of a scuffy layout. I mean, we're dealing with chickens here. So I'm going to have a row of chickens on each side. Then I have this piece. It's from Roll With It, and this is called Sweet Stripes. I am smitten with this wood grain, just a little bit showing. I mean, it's an outside kind of thing. So next, what I did is I took way too much molding paste, which is fine, and sprayed in a liberal amount of our Pretty in Pink because I wanted to have it a bit lightened up, for my chicken expose. And I'm going to mix it all up. And where is my fabulous little stencil? I have one. Here it is. So we've got this stencil from Little Birdie, and it's just script. And I thought that would be really fun to just have bits of it above Chickenland. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And then, so that's going to be a bit of a background situation, something going on. You can't really even read what the script is anyway. So it's one of those things that will really work for this. So let me get most of this off. Hold on. Let me get a bunch of it off. Guys, I mixed so much. Oh, Lordy. Okay. And you guys know how to stencil. I'm just kind of showing you the vibe I was thinking of just getting a little bit of it on. Does not have to be a perfect thing. Don't care if it's perfect. Ta-da. Just a little something going on. So I'm going to keep doing that across and on the bottom, and I'll meet you right back here. All right, y'all. So these pieces are just placed on here. I was just getting some ideas and playing with all of these gorgeous bits. Let me show you my mixed media. It's mostly dry. So it looked like I was doing a ton, but with mixed media, you just never, let me tuck this just a little bit more. You just never know, you know, exactly where you're gonna want it. So I do a ton, and if I wanna cover up some, I do. If I want it showing, it's great, but how cute. So we've got that nice little bit of pink. I might need to come back in with some liquid adhesive because it tends to be a little tricky to get, you know, dry adhesive like an ATG to dry down nicely. So I've got this from the mixed media kit as well, and thank you all so much for my mixed media kits. I love them. I thought I would just do just a nice little border around this, guys. It's not even gonna matter, you know, how straight it is or whatnot. So I just thought I would just do a bit of tearing around it. And that's gonna give us something kind of cool as well. I'm wearing black, so it's totally working, you know, for your average chicken layout that probably nobody else on the planet does, but we digress. Let's just go ahead and tear a little bit more. And it's gonna look fine because, you know, it's like tissue. It's not gonna be as picky as you would think. All right, so we have that. Super fun, super fun. And save all your bits. Ooh, that might be kind of fun in the clusters as well. I'm gonna think about it, cutting them out. Okay, we'll see how that looks. So I'm gonna do that as a layer because yes, please. And that brings in the black that I'm wearing. Now, you know, clearly I'm having a whole chicken event. And I was thinking about having this kind of come down. I don't need that together word, but I do like how it's just coming off of the grass. I did, it's true. I've got this little piece I fussy cut out of one of our papers. That's cute. Maybe we will see a cute little piece here. Not quite sure, not quite sure. All right, so I've got this sweet little one right here that is vibing red, and I can put a little chickie there. So I can have stuff here and here. Great. Now, I don't even know where to start because I have cut all of the florals out of this one piece of paper, like all of the bits. I've got the sunflowers. I've got the regular flowers. I have them all, and I think they're amazeballs. So there's like fall leaves in here. There are so many beautiful things. So I love the idea of starting to build up little clusters with these fun little bits. And I'm just gonna go for it. Now, I do have another layout planned with this kit to do with sunflowers, so I don't wanna use them all up, but I'll use some for sure, for sure. Like, see how that's a half piece? That gives us a little something. Ooh, that gives us a little something, so cute. So let me see. Yeah, any of these pieces that are broken, I always love using them. And then you can see a little bit of the mixed media behind it. Okay, I really like this. I like what we're doing here. Let's see, I can bring another little leafy bit from under this cluster that we have going on. Cute. Now, I know I have a bunch of these mushrooms too, but I don't think I'm bringing mushrooms in. See, I have the pink there. Let's have a little pink coming up here. I even have partial pieces of these little bits. I've got partial florals. So any of these little things you can kind of tuck in can end up looking so darned interesting. See, a little bit of pink and it works. It just works. I think pink works. Maybe that's the lesson here. I don't know. So we've got some of that. I need a title too. So this was in a springtime. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I love that bright yellow that reads happy. So maybe happy. What's another piece? Let's see. So I can't use summer because this was not summer. There's so many pieces for me to look at. I'm making decisions. So I think the word happy. Let's see. Beautiful, smile, love, lucky, remember. I love this color right here. And that would be so pretty, but I'm going to have a little tiny bit of contrast. So let's see. Let's get happy. So happy will go right about there. I'm not going to fully stick it down. So let me look at the other pieces. Happy place, definitely a happy place, but that pink is a little deeper than what I need. Ooh, the good life is gorgeous. And the pink, it's spot on. Thank you very much. So since we know that pink is spot on, I'm going to spread it around a little bit. So perfect. All right, so we've got that. I can always bring in more of this. Okay, I also have so much fun confetti we're gonna bring in. Let's see, we've got that black down there. Let's see, field notes. Oh, it's kind of funny because I was doing stuff with the chickens. Maybe, be brave, never stop exploring. I would have to use 2, although I like the black. So I'm gonna leave that down there for now. Oh, we have these from Whatevs. So I'm going to do happy time at the petting zoo. So I'm going to have lots of this black. Let me get all this down, pop it up on dimension, all that kind of stuff, and we'll see where we are. So at this point, I am very happy. I've got my mixed media going, which I am loving. I have got some chipboard on here, fussy cut pieces, foamy pieces. So there's foamies here, here, and here. Got my cute little black and white title, which totally brings in the tissue paper around my photo. And, you know, I'm wearing a lot of black. My goat friend's black as well. Look at that. Got a little chickies here, here, here. Fussy cut florals. So I am living. Let's see. This ended up being really cute for field notes. So let's see. At this point, I just need to look at getting some confetti on, of course. Ooh, you know what I do have? Got lots of these funny little leafy pieces. And yes, I even cut out pieces this small because I was having myself a little party. Okay. So let's see. I've got enough red, but I do have these little tiny leaves and little tiny flowers. Let me see if we need to add any of those bits. So let's say if we have the cutest little tiny flower. And let me go ahead and pop this on a little pop dot. Because I think that makes things so interesting when you have those little bits just out there. Look at this cute little flower. Let's go ahead and put this one on. This brings in some of the pink. I have pink and olive. Wait, I need some pink up there. Wait a minute. What? All right, I need some pink up there. So let me go ahead and keep doing the sprinkles. I just saw, oh, here's one. This is slightly bigger. That's cute. Okay. So I'm just popping a little pop dot behind it, giving my edges a quick little bendaroo and a tuck, and it becomes part of the cluster, just like that. So cute. So then, same thing over here. I'm going to just keep mimicking these pieces. So guys, layout's pretty much done. I'm just going to go about faffing about putting some of these little finishing touches on as well as my confetti. Then I will come back and show you my finished layout. So also, what else to tell you guys? Remember to go ahead and enter into the sketch challenge. I did the sketch challenge for my first, oh, stop it, that's cute. For my first layout this month, and you can win a 25 Canadian doll hairs to spend at the store. Sorry, I got all excited when I was looking at where I want to put those pieces. I feel like it should be up here, or should it be right here? Oh, I kind of like it there. It's tying it all in. Okay, I'm going to keep faffing about. I'll come back and show you my finished layout. All right, y'all. I just added a few bits and bobs. Okay, guys. So I went ahead and used the Freckle Fawn puffies and created little clusters in a few places, as well as some of the confetti mix. There were little dots on this pink and on the blue. You can see them slightly sticking through. See how there's little dots? So I added a little confetti there. I will have links down below for you to get your hands on these kits, so you can go to the website and subscribe. You can grab your adhesives. I have my ATG from Mercy Tiara Kits, as well as dimensional adhesive, which is fab. What else to tell you guys? Oh, and meet us over in the Facebook group and show us what you are creating with all of these goodies. I will see you guys ever so soon with another video, and I'm going to have some still shots to follow right there. Bye for now, friends.